Dun 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 dun. Hello everyone, this is the Diamond Lord. Today we're playing Crossy Roads. It's been so long since I last played this game. I've been having a little more practice, so yeah, look. I'm not even changing direction now. You see how, you see how fast I went? I was like, so that's my tactic. My tactic is just to keep moving and then knock towards you. But sometimes, okay, now I'm gonna play as a different character. I do wonder what this is. I'm gonna play as this chicken. What the hell? Oh, let's kick some more balls. Oh no! I'll save you, Mr. Ball. Wait, is this? Wait, is this Japan? Okay. No! Oh wait, actually, wait, this is good. Look. Okay. Okay. Oh, you got pudding. Okay, yeah. Oh, Jai's in here. Okay, I guess he can talk now. So Jai's also playing Crossy Roads, but he's not a YouTuber. No, I just got hit by a car the second I just started. I'm gonna go change character. You know what? You know what I've been liking about Crossy Roads, everyone? But the way everything is so cool. Oh, not available from a prize machine. I'm gonna be Mr. Cat. Mascot Cat. Oh my god, look guys, my plane crashed. Oh, that thing was so cute. Oh. Do you know the plane makes a really weird sound when it dies? That makes like a that sound. Come on, cats. Okay, I don't want you to get hurt anymore. I care about you too much. I'm gonna be, what was that? Ooh, wait, what if I be Virtual Wizard? But you know what? I wanna be a... Oh my god, I want this guy. I'm gonna be a zombie. I'm gonna be a zombie. You know, for some reason I don't mind dying, because then the zombie will be destroyed. So yeah, so this is Crossy Roads. This is a very good game. Don't worry, you don't have to cost any money if you want to play it. Just search up your Play Store and write Crossy Roads, and then you can play like me. And if you do know my brother Jason, he's also known as the TNT Master. Yes, the TNT Master that's on my channel. Subscription. And also check out every YouTuber. You do not know what you're missing out. Plus, I got a new subscriber. Oh, baby chick. Die, please do not risk him. Yeah, do not make him because he's just a baby and he got hit by a car. I could never forgive you. Could you even forgive yourself, guy? Was I really want this guy? Yeah, but I really want Mad Wizard. I'm gonna be Brawler. Well, more like this is a boss. Yeah, like, sorry, I can't be Pac-Man because every time I try to record playing Pac-Man, my game always glitches. So sorry, I can't be Pac-Man. But well, let me tell you what it's like to be Pac-Man. Something's happened to my game, everyone. Oh, never mind. You guys still there? Okay, sorry. A little bit of trouble there. Kenny's, I know you're still there. So yeah, looks like we're going to be continuing this.
No, baby, don't.
Don't be baby duck. No! Should I use Chippy Cat? Chippy Cat is actually my favorite character to be in this. I can listen to it. Wait, shh. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of this episode of Crossing Roads. Sorry this wasn't so. Yeah, I'll see you in the next episode, which I'll be doing the next episode of Pac-Man.
Bye, guys.
Bye and goodbye. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe.